What's up, folks? Dennis here with some more Make Easy tech tips that I hope can make your computer experience a little bit more pleasant. So stick around. This is Make Easy. Handy, but not so common, keyboard shortcuts. So we all know about Control-C and Control-V, but there are a few more that are just as easy to remember and can be applied regularly. I'll give you my top 5. My number 1 favorite keyboard shortcut is if you want to go back in your browser, press Alt and the left key. Let me show you. To go back a page, instead of always having to move your cursor to the top left corner with your mouse or trackpad, press Alt and the left key instead. As an easy addition, Alt plus the right key allows you to go forward a page. Number 2, emojis are awesome. They're more expressive, more fun, but they're not just limited to our phones. To be able to use emojis in Windows 10, press Windows key plus period to get a good set of emojis to use with computer applications, including email, documents, and desktop versions of your favorite social media apps. Okay, this one's for the students and educators who use subscript and superscript a lot. In Microsoft Word, for subscripts, press Control plus the equals key. For superscript, it's almost the same. Think up, so it's Control plus Shift plus equals key. Keyboard shortcut number 4, Windows key plus D. Will quickly show your desktop, but I like to use it to quickly cover my work. I find it easier and less obtrusive than closing my lid. Number 5. To quickly video screen record an application, press Windows key plus Alt plus R. It really is that easy. Check out our video where I go in a little bit more detail on how this keyboard shortcut works. Let me know which one of these shortcuts is new to you, or which one is your new favorite. Thanks everyone for watching, and until next time, stay well everybody.